Welcome to FM channel. In this video, we are going to see what is HCF. HCF, or highest common factor, is the largest factor of two or more numbers, which are common among them. Sometimes, it is also called as greatest common divisor or GCD. Now, we are going to find the HCF of 18 and 12. For that we should know the divisors of 18 and 12. Since the possible factors of 18 can be written as the multiples of 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Therefore, the divisors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. In the same way, divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. From both the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Hence, the highest common factor of 18 and 12 is 6. Finding HCF for small numbers using divisors is quite simple. But what about if we need to find the HCF of 108 and 56? For that we can't find the divisors easily. By using prime factorization, we can solve these. If you are not familiar with these, go and check our previous sessions. Prime factors of 108 can be written as 2 square into 3 cube, and 56 as 2 cube into 7. Here the common factors are 2 square, that makes highest common factor of 108 and 56 as 4. It says that there is no highest common factor except 4. Thanks for watching. Support us by sharing this video.